guys, welcome back to my channel Shreya Weya. तो आज हम बनाने वाले हैं रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल pita bread at home and you will see it's so easy to make. I'll give you the easiest recipe on the internet. आपको इस रेसिपी के लिए कोई भी फैंसी इंग्रेडिएंट नहीं चाहिए और ओवन भी नहीं चाहिए. I'll show you how to make it easily on the तवा. pita bread बनाने के लिए हमें बस 4 से 5 इंग्रेडिएंट लगते हैं. It should be lukewarm, not very hot, not very cold. Now in the lukewarm water we will add active dry yeast. This is the ingredient that will help the pita bread fluff up. तो जब भी हम yeast डालते हैं तो हमें कुछ yeast के लिए food डालना पड़ता है. For it to activate, so we are adding some sugar. हम बस इसे एक बार stir करेंगे and then we let it sit for 10 minutes. You have to make sure that the water you are using is not very hot, otherwise the yeast will die. बिल्कुल ही ऊपर foamy consistency हो जाएगा. That's when you know that the yeast is activated. Now it's time that we add the flour and salt. Now let's give it a mix. तो हमारी डो कंबाइन हो चुकी है बट नाउ द रियल गेम बिगिंस. वी हैव टू knead the dough for good 8 to 10 minutes and this is a very important step. Add a little bit of oil to the dough and then let's start kneading. After kneading for 2 minutes, add a dusting of flour. Again, we'll do the kneading part. So the kneading part is very crucial because this helps the gluten form in the dough, which will make our pita bread fluffy and airy. Our dough is almost ready now. As you can see, it looked very sticky and intimidating at first, but the recipe is just to keep kneading and adjust the flour when it gets sticky and difficult to handle, and slowly you will get a perfect dough. Now shape the dough like a ball. अब हमें हमारे dough को proof करने के लिए रखना है. So for that, I'm brushing the base in which we made the dough with some oil, and in the same bowl we will keep the dough. Now brush the dough with some oil. Baking a bread, it's a little bit of hard work, but I promise it's therapeutic. So you have to make this recipe. Now let's cover the bowl with a damp cloth and we will let the dough proof for an hour. It's been an hour. Now let's give a check on our dough. Wow, you can see it's doubled in size. Now comes my favorite part, which is punching the dough. Giving it a one final knead. And our dough is ready. Now let's cut the dough into equal parts and make our pita bread. हमारे डो बॉल्स रेडी हैं और हम इनको कवर करेंगे विद अ डैम्प क्लॉथ. अगेन हमने इनको ढक के रखा है, नहीं तो फिर वो ड्राई हो जाएंगे, फिर आपको रोल करने में दिक्कत आएगी. यू कैन डस्ट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ फ्लावर इफ द डो इज वेरी स्ट्रेची. दैट्स एन इम्पॉर्टेंट टिप टू रिमेंबर. You don't have to roll them very thin. Now put the pita breads on a tray like so, and I'll cover the pita breads to proof for 5 minutes. Now let's cook the pita breads. The key to actually making it perfect is to keep flipping in 3 to 5 seconds, and soon you'll see that it becomes like a ball. Our pita bread is ready and you saw how easy it was to make it. Now the best way to cut the pita bread is to actually cut it with scissors, but you can also break it with your hands. Our pita bread has come out so perfect. It's just like how you get in market. I think even better. Let me also give you a taste test. The texture is so perfect. It's soft and a little crusty from the top, just how I like. So what are you waiting for? Make pita breads at home, add the fillings of your choice and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram @eateries crush and do all the good things like comment, subscribe, share. Bye.